We've already talked about how you can change the inspection to suit your needs. Now here's the next thing that I challenge you to do, is what else can you do with an inspection? I mean, it doesn't always have to be a courtesy inspection of a vehicle. You can do other things, like a tow-in, drop-in inspection, or you can even do a diagnostic inspection. And the idea behind these is to challenge yourself and look at the inspections and how you build them and figure out how you can make them do other things. So let's go over some of the things that I want to suggest to you, and we'll take a look and see what that does for you. Thinking different also means not just doing inspections. Because even though this is inspection software, you're going to find there's lots of other uses like diagnosis. AC performance test. We can actually list out all the steps right here. Your technician can follow these steps and input pictures and descriptions of the results of each test. Using these digital inspection diagnostic routines will make it easier for you to charge your customers diagnostic fees. You are going to build value in the steps that have to be done to properly diagnose the issue. Another way to think differently about inspections is in how you build them and lay them out. Why not lay out an inspection in the actual order that your technician is going to approach a vehicle? For example, here, the ground check. Doesn't your technician, when they first get in the vehicle, have access to all these different things? And why not take pictures and record what they find at this point in time? The vehicle is next pulled into the bay, and we continue in this order. Notice that we're going to pop the hood and go underneath and take a look at all the fluids and filters under there. Then, once the vehicle's up on the lift, we're going to do the mid-height check, and then finally, we're going to put it all the way up in the air and do the full height check. All right, so hopefully I put a good idea in your mind or two, and you know what? Reach out to us if you have an idea, because we would love to hear it. But take a little bit of time, make those inspections work even harder for your shop.